Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is a simple but yummy breakfast that wasn't planned but was just about working with whatever random things I found in the refrigerator. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video for you to screen capture and in the description box as well. In my mortar, I've got garlic flakes, oregano, salt, black pepper, onion powder, and some dried parsley that I'll be grinding into a finer dust just because I don't want chunky bits and I want the flavors to be well distributed in my eggs. You don't have to do that step, but I was feeling a little bit extra and decided to do it anyway. In a bowl, I'll crack my eggs, add in a splash of whole milk and whisk them well and add in the seasonings. I also had a little bit of shredded cheese. I think it was either mozzarella or white cheddar cheese that was in the fridge and decided, hey, why not put it in the omelette as well? Then, in a pan, I'll start cooking some deli turkey slices that I've cut into squares just to bring out their flavor a bit more before I add in the egg mixture. Please don't laugh, but I initially was attempting to make an omelette, but that was a failed attempt, and so I proceeded to scramble the egg quickly and pretend like that was what I was going for all along. The flavors remain the same, it's just the look that's different now. Place on a toast, garnish with some fresh chives, but I didn't have any of those, so I put in a tiny bit of parsley stems just to feel like I had chives. And make yourself a little side salad so you can feel fancy, and make yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy. Bye!